Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tricknology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to fix Windows security not working or not opening on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, what you have to do, you just need to simply go to your start or search window and type PowerShell. After that, right click on Windows PowerShell and click on Run as Administrator. Now click on Yes. After open PowerShell, you just need to put some command over here, which I'll give you on my video description. So the command here is a command. Simply copy from my video description and right click on your PowerShell after copy. Now press enter from your keyboard. And after that, if you will try to open Microsoft Windows security, it will work, as you can see. So I hope this tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.